Now we're presenting a scene from Hamlet. It is not more ugly than the thing that holds my heat, my most plaintive word. Oh, heavy burden. I hear the heads of your prince coming. Let us withdraw, my lord. To be or not to be? That is the question. When it is nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles by opposing and then to die to sleep no more, is a heartache that flesh is thereto. It is the consummation devoutly to be wished. To die, to sleep, perchance to dream. Aye, there's the rub. What mortal coils must give us pause. Feelings! Whoa, 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 feelings! They're gonna have to sing some songs. And now I'm going to sing some songs to you. In your Easter bonnet, with all the frills upon it, you'll be the lovely lady in the Easter parade. All the old and clover, and when the locusts sober, you'll be the proudest fellow in the Easter parade. On the avenue, Fifth Avenue, the photographer will snap us, and you'll find you're in the Rota Review. Oh, I could write a sonnet about your Easter bonnet, and of the girl I'm taking to the Easter parade. Well, here's another song the girls know it. Everybody gather round, tell you what you do. Everybody clap your hands, that is what you do. Everybody gather round, tell you what you do. Everybody stamp your feet, that is what you do. Everybody gather round, tell you what you do. Everybody with your fingers, stamp your feet, clap your hands, that is what you do. Well, I'm a one song. Will you be my friend if I asked you? Would you be my friend if I told you? Would you be my friend? 'Cause friends are forever. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Friends are nice to have a good time. They'll hold your hand when you are scared. Friends are nice to have a good time. They'll be your friend until the end. You'll be my friend if I told you. You'll be my friend if I asked you. You'll be my friend. Friends are forever. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Friends are nice to have a good time. They'll hold your hand until you're scared. Friends don't mind if you act silly. They'll be your friend until the end. Will you be my friend Would you be my friend? Well, as you know, it's pretty much worth it. Look out the window, I can see the sun rising, but that's pretty much it for now. I'm Ted Harrison, Harris Publishers. Anyway, happy Easter!